Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I'd call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.75. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below $2.75, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $2.75, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented there. Again, yeah, staying above 275 would be great, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently hanging out at, initial area, I think right around here at about $3.25. And then a key overall level and the fun one that's, I always call the fun resistance, because I'll be the first to admit, it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking new highs, and that's what 350 represents. So 350 is the quote-unquote fun resistance level, but before you start talking about doing battle with the fun one, the initial bridge, in my opinion, at least that needs to be crossed, will be right there at $3.25. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice movement today. The bulls are currently building an uptrend, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.